What's up guys, welcome back to day 12 of 100 days of LinkedIn. If you're enjoying these videos, feel free to comment, like and subscribe below. So the question is how can you extract profile data from LinkedIn? It's the same way that you can extract email data ultimately. I made a reference to this before, but very simply, you can, I think it's in like account, privacy, communication and settings or something to that ilk, but you can actually export all of your LinkedIn data. I think you can even choose the level of data that you want to receive. But irrespective, if you just do a complete export, then you can go and of course, you get an export as a CSV file. And you can go through kind of some of the filters because it will come out into a spreadsheet and you can choose, what it is that you want to see. But that's kind of the quickest way that you could data mine LinkedIn, if you like, to extract all of the profile data that you're looking for to then go out and do whatever it is that you want to do with it. Now, if you're looking for people outside of your network, then that's a little bit of a different animal and probably requires the help of a hacker or developer. Could not help you with that, but with this, with extracting profile data from the people you're connected with, that's how you do it. See you tomorrow, guys.